Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what ServiceTitan's inventory module is, how it works, and its key features. And even though we cannot really get into the actual tool since we have to request for a demo and they are going to send that demo to us, but as of the moment we cannot really do that, but still I'm going to discuss to you the inventory here in ServiceTitan. Okay, so let's just go to the ServiceTitan website first. All right, so you just have to search for ServiceTitan, and then you just have to click their website. All right, so this one, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so if you run an HVAC, plumbing, electrical, or other home service business, keeping track of inventory can be one of the biggest challenges. So technicians may run out of parts, warehouses can become overstocked, and missing inventory can lead to delayed jobs and unhappy customers. So that's where ServiceTitan Inventory Management comes in. So as you can see right here, under the commercial, okay, so these are the sections, right? So this is the commercial section where you can see the details of what the ServiceTitan is offering. Okay, so right here, as you can see, we have the HVAC, the plumbing, the electrical. All right, so again, we don't really have the access to a live ServiceTitan account, so I am still going to discuss you the official documentation and product resources, giving you an accurate overview of how the system works. Okay, so the ServiceTitan inventory module is designed for field service businesses that need to manage parts, equipment, and materials across multiple locations. Instead of tracking inventory with spreadsheets, the platform provides a centralized system where you can monitor stock in real time. So inventory can be tracked across the main warehouses, branch locations, ignition trucks, and service vehicles. Okay, so yeah, right here, let's go to the HVAC section. All right, and just scroll down right here. And as you can see, when we go to the construction side, we have here the inventory section. So here on the inventory section, this is how it looks like, right? So you have here your items. Okay, so you would be able to see here all of your items. So you have your item name right here, the code of the item, if it is available, how many pieces available for the specific item, and then yeah, this section is for the total quantity, and then for the average cost and the total value. Right, and then in this section as well, we have the inventory location, so you'll be able to see here the inventory location. So the HVAC inventory software, it's a software automatically tracks the warehouse counts, the ensures the trucks remain stocked, and generates accurate purchase orders to keep parts and materials in stock. Okay, and when we go to the plumbing section as well, all right, so let's go to the construction side. As you can see, it has a this is the financial overview. Okay, so let's just go to the inventory. Again, it's just the same. So you have your item sections right here. So software automatically tracks the warehouse counts and all of that. So yeah, once you are inside the tool, the first step is creating your inventory locations. Okay, so you have that right here, inventory locations. You just have to tap on it. So in ServiceTitan, each warehouse or technician track can be configured as an inventory location. So for example, main warehouse, East branch warehouse, van 12, truck 7, something like that. So by assigning inventory to specific locations, businesses can always see exactly where their materials are stored. And then you have to build your price book after your inventory location. So the price book contains all of the materials, equipment, and parts your business sells or installs. So for every item, you can add details such as the item name. So that's what I'm talking about. So this is the item name section right here. Okay, and then the part number or the item code. Okay, and then for the vendor, the category, the cost, and the selling price. So keeping your price book organized makes purchasing, estimating, invoicing, and inventory tracking much easier. Okay, so after that, you have to enable the inventory tracking. Okay, so once your items have been added, so you already have it right here, you can enable the inventory tracking. So this allows the ServiceTitan to monitor the stock quantities automatically as inventory moves between locations or is used on jobs. So you can also configure the minimum stock levels, the order points, inventory costing methods, replenishment settings. So yeah, these tools help reduce stock shortages and simplify inventory planning. All right. So once the ServiceTitan's one of the ServiceTitan's most useful features is the track replenishment. Okay, so you have that right here. All right. So imagine one of your technicians uses several capacitors, filters, and fittings during today's service calls. So at the end of the day, the office can transfer replacement inventory from the warehouse to that technician's track. So this helps ensure the technicians begin each workday with the parts they need, reducing unnecessary trips back to the warehouse. And after that, we have the transfer inventory between locations. So businesses often move inventory between warehouses or vehicles. So for example, warehouse to truck, truck to warehouse, warehouse A to warehouse B. So the ServiceTitan records these transfers so inventory counts stay accurate across every location. Now, this provides real-time visibility into where every track item is located. Okay, the next one is perform the inventory count, right? So no inventory system is complete without your inventory count. So the ServiceTitan supports several types of counts, including cycle counts, full inventory counts, item-specific counts. So regular audits can really help identify the missing inventory data, every mistakes or damaged items before they become larger problems. All right. So even here in the electrical section, still the ServiceTitan has that feature where you can maintain the inventory with precision for any electrical job. Now, if you really want to get the full details of this tool, you can request for a demo if you are eligible, and then you just have to explore the inside of this tool. All right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.